According to many travelers, Sofia is the least interesting capital in Europe, but actually I don't trust people very easily, so that's why I decided to fly here in Sofia to see whether this is true. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna give you my totally honest opinion about the capital of Bulgaria. Let's do it. We start our exploration from the so-called woman market, apparently a traditional food and veggie market. Typical?
Yes.
Okay. Is within Sofia?
Only no. Bulgaria, city Troyan.
Ah, Troyan. Okay. Okay. I would like to buy a small flag of Bulgaria.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, I'm collecting flags.
Collection.
I like this. It's like the flag of Italy.
Yeah.
But
Rosso,
you know,
verde, bianco.
yeah, bravo. You speak Italian?
No, no.
Little. Okay.
Little, I know. Aspetta, pronto. Forza Italia, Silvio Berlusconi.
The women market is the oldest one in Sofia. It became its activity in the early 19th century and then eventually became the most prestigious market in the Bulgaria capital. I noticed that it's not a very touristic city. Since I arrived yesterday, the airport was almost deserted, as well as the metro. By the way, the city has only 1.5 million of inhabitants, but has 4 different metro lines, which is impressive. Look at this square. So behind me, the presidential palace, so a purely communistic, socialistic kind of architecture. Then some Roman ruins here, and then on the background this Christian Romanic church. Everything in one place. Sofia at its finest. I quite like the mix of architecture styles. Look at this, a typical communistic building, quite awful actually. But then on a distance we have a very nice mosque with that green dome, and look at this magnificent building, similar to the ones that you can find in Paris, for example. And then this area very close to the presidential building, which is this one, it's full of very nice bars and restaurants, people chilling out, and it's a very nice walking here actually. To be honest with you, so far the best part of this city are its parks. There are like so many parks. It's super hot today, it's boiling like 36 degrees, and I'm just having some rest in the shadow. And look at this magnificent little church. Unfortunately it's currently closed, but yeah, it's full of these little green areas with fountains, benches where you can chill out after a long day walking. Some of the buildings of this city are incredibly beautiful. Check this out. The problem is that they are close to other derelict buildings in disrepair. Look at this, the balcony at the 4th floor, but even the roof is falling apart. So my first impression is that this city has a huge potential in terms of architecture, so many beautiful buildings, but unfortunately most of them are in a very poor condition. I found an antiquities market.
10 euro. 10 euro. Samo fotografii.
Hello. Look at this. You can find these antiquities markets selling Soviet stuff just in Eastern Europe, and I totally love them. You can find pretty much everything from medals, coins, banknotes, guns. It's totally fascinating. And next to the antiquities market there is the most important landmark of Sofia. Behind me, ladies and gentlemen, the Cathedral of Alexander Nevsky. Look how beautiful. Construction began in 1882, but actually it was completed in 1912. The cathedral was created in honor of the Russian soldiers who died during the Russo-Turkish War of 1877 and 1878, as a result of which Bulgaria was liberated by the Ottoman Empire, but actually was colonized by the Russians. It can host up to 5,000 worshippers. But let's have a look inside. I like a lot this little street starting from the Intercontinental Hotel just in front of the cathedral. It should be called Tsar Ivan Shishman, something like that. It's full of nice little restaurants, bars, and look at this shop, for example. And at the end of this kind of hipster street, there is this beautiful Orthodox little gem just in front of this very beautiful and peaceful parks where kids are playing, people are resting on the bench. It's still very, very hot, so I want to get some shadow. Let's have a look inside. Really impressive. What I really like about Sofia so far is that this church are really, really beautiful inside, and they are not crowded at all. But in general, Sofia, it's very peaceful, very quiet, no crowds, no hustle, no stress. You can wander around without, you know, queuing pretty much anywhere. That's really cool. I just found a craft beer festival in the park overlooking the National Palace of Culture, that communistic giant on the background. So the park, as you can see, is very nice. A lot of fountains, of bench, people chilling out. Very nice atmosphere. And now we are gonna rest a bit. It's super hot. It's like 35 degrees still at 5 p.m. And then we are gonna check out that majestic communistic building. Now we are just in front of the Palace of Culture, and look, there are a lot of things going on this square. There is a kind of sport convention or exhibition also. So people play tennis here, judo, other martial arts. But the best part of this square is this masterpiece, this communistic masterpiece. Check this out. And this amazing, I'm not sure if is it murales or anyway, this piece of art. Very nice atmosphere here. It seems that the whole city is gathering here today. So the Palace of Exhibition today doesn't have any exhibition at all. Well, so let's keep exploring Sofia. Guys, welcome to the main street, the main pedestrian street of Sofia, Vitosha. Now it's 9 p.m. I'm starving because I haven't eaten anything for lunch since it was very hot, and when it's very hot I don't eat anything. So my very friendly host suggested me a typical Bulgarian restaurant very close to my apartment. I never heard about a Bulgarian restaurant, so I'm very excited to show you this cuisine. Let's check it out. The name of this restaurant, it's almost impossible to pronounce. I will put the name down below. The reviews on TripAdvisor are excellent. Here we go, guys. Hopefully they have some place for me, because I don't have a reservation. Let's have a look. Oh, looks busy. It's Saturday night. Thank you very much. Here you go. Look at this place. Thank you very much. Ooh. It's 3 kilos. It's a beast of the menu. Check this out. We have soups, then plates for 2, 3 or 4 people, then some starters, salads, then we have some cheese, and then every kind of meat. So dishes with pork, we have chicken, as well as lamb, vegetarian dishes, and also of course desserts. Guys, wish me luck. We are starting with rakia. Wish me luck once again. We have some chili, apparently very spicy. Then I ordered a very special lamb cooked in a Bulgarian way, so with walnuts and watermelon, and then some rice. Let's try it. There are also some mushrooms. It's a bit spicy, but yeah, very good.